I bought and tested these microwave ovens so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Microwaves are a kitchen staple, and finding the right one can be a daunting task. In this review, I'll take you through 5 fantastic 1100-watt options that not only cook efficiently, but also come packed with features that make your life easier.
Product number 1. Toshiba EM131A5C-BS. When I first unboxed the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS, the sleek black stainless steel design caught my eye immediately. It felt like a stylish addition to my kitchen. I was eager to test its smart sensor technology, which claimed to automatically adjust cooking time based on food humidity. My first test was reheating leftover pizza. I placed the slice on the 12.4-inch glass turntable and selected the sensor reheat option. As the microwave hummed to life, I felt a mix of excitement and skepticism. Would it really come out perfectly heated? To my surprise, it did. The crust wasn't soggy, and the cheese was just the right amount of gooey. The 10 power levels offered a fantastic range of options for cooking, and I loved that I could tailor the intensity to suit my needs. On another occasion, I decided to test the defrost feature for some chicken. I chose to defrost by weight, and again, the results were impressive. The chicken was evenly thawed without any cooking on the edges. However, a few quirks did catch my attention. The buzzer, while loud enough to alert me, was a bit annoying, especially during late-night snack sessions. Thankfully, the mute function came to the rescue. Extended use revealed that while the interior was easy to clean, the exterior showed fingerprints quite easily.
Product number 2. The Toshiba EM131A5C-SS. The Toshiba EM131A5C-SS arrived at my doorstep, and I was immediately impressed by its stainless steel finish. As someone who loves a modern aesthetic in the kitchen, this microwave fit right in. I decided to put its smart sensor technology to the test, starting with a simple task: reheating a bowl of soup. I placed the bowl in the microwave, selected the sensor reheat option, and waited. The microwave's hum was soothing, and before I knew it, I was enjoying a hot bowl of soup without any hot spots. One feature that stood out was the Eco Mode, which is designed to save energy when the microwave is not in use. I appreciated this thoughtful touch, especially in today's eco-conscious world. The 12 auto menus were a welcome addition, allowing me to cook various meals without needing to consult any cookbooks or guesswork. Yet, I did notice some drawbacks. The one-touch start was convenient, but I found myself accidentally starting the microwave a couple of times when I was just cleaning up nearby. And while the interior was easy to clean, I found that the exterior smudged easily, which meant frequent wiping down.
Product number 3. Black & Decker EM031MB11. When I decided to try the Black & Decker EM031MB11, I was drawn in by its user-friendly features and compact design. The moment I plugged it in, I was struck by the large LED digital display. It made selecting cooking options a breeze. I put its pre-programmed buttons to the test by making popcorn. With just a press of a button, I watched as the microwave did its thing. The popcorn popped beautifully, and I was thrilled to have a perfect snack in minutes. One of my favorite features is the child safety lock. As a parent, I always worry about little hands getting into things they shouldn't. Knowing I could lock the microwave gave me peace of mind. Additionally, the push-button door release was a thoughtful design choice, allowing me to access my food without fumbling around. However, I did experience some minor frustrations. The 1.1 cubic feet capacity felt a bit limiting when trying to heat larger meals. I found myself having to split portions to fit. Additionally, while the control panel was easy to read, I sometimes wished for more detailed options instead of relying solely on preset buttons. Product number 4, Toshiba ML-EM09PA-SS. I recently got my hands on the Toshiba ML-EM09PA-SS, and I was curious to see how it stacked up against the competition. The first thing I noticed was its compact size, making it ideal for smaller spaces. I decided to start my testing with the child safety lock feature, which was a relief given I have little ones at home. The two-step locking mechanism was straightforward enough for me to understand, and I felt confident that my kids wouldn't accidentally activate it. Next, I tried its 6 preset menus, whipping up some popcorn and reheating leftovers. The results were impressive. The popcorn popped evenly, and my leftovers were heated through without getting rubbery. I particularly enjoyed the one-touch start feature that allowed me to kick off cooking with just a press, a time saver for someone always on the go like me. On the downside, I found the microwave output power of 900 watts a bit limiting compared to others on this list. It took slightly longer to cook certain items, which might be a deal breaker for some. Additionally, the internal capacity of 0.9 cubic feet felt cramped at times, especially when I was trying to heat a larger dish. Product number 5. The Toshiba ML4-EM12PA-BS. The Toshiba ML4-EM12PA-BS caught my eye with its stylish black stainless steel finish. It's not just a pretty face, it also boasts impressive features. I found the 13 auto menus incredibly helpful, making it easy to cook everything from snacks to full meals at the touch of a button. My first culinary adventure was using the auto cook function for a frozen dinner. The microwave adjusted itself perfectly, resulting in a hot, satisfying meal without any guesswork on my part. I was also impressed by its power levels, which provided great flexibility in cooking. The 1,000-watt output meant that I could quickly heat meals without sacrificing quality. I appreciated that it also had a defrost feature that worked wonders on frozen meat. I could select whether to defrost by weight or time, which gave me the flexibility I needed. However, I did notice that the microwave could be a bit noisy during operation, which might be distracting in a quiet kitchen. Additionally, while I loved the sleek design, I found that it attracted fingerprints quicker than I'd like. Why buy the Toshiba ML4-EM12PA-BS? If you're looking for a stylish microwave that doesn't compromise on performance, this is it. After testing these 5 remarkable microwave ovens, I can confidently say there's something for everyone here. Whether you're drawn to the sleek design of the Toshiba models or the compact reliability of Black + Decker, these microwaves are sure to meet your cooking needs. Choose wisely and happy cooking!